another edition of Jay's Big Adventure, and today we're going to work on taking some scratches out of the trunk on our 2003 BMW M3. These may be a little tough to see. There are some pretty major scratches in the trunk lid. Someone who shall remain nameless set something on the trunk and then dragged it off. Hoping those will turn out. This side's pretty good. For starters, we're just going to make sure that the surface is 100% clean. A little microfiber towel action. This will make sure that we're not spinning dirt into our paint when we buff it. To do this, we're going to use a couple of different compounds. You can buy this stuff at any car part store. It comes with a bunch of different brand names. I'm not going to show the labels because it's not a paid promotion, but there are some different compounds that range in aggressiveness from car polish up through much more aggressive polishing compound. Since we're not going to be taking a lot of material away, we're going to start with a very, very mild abrasive or a mild compound. We're going to use a random orbital buffer. One of the things you really have to be careful of if you're using power tools is to not apply too much pressure and definitely not to get up on the edge, because that's how you can really mess the paint up. We're barely going to use the weight of the orbiter to work this compound in, and we'll see how it goes. Once we've gotten a majority of the scratches out, then we'll add a final coat of wax. For starters, we're just going to add a little bit of material. And just with the weight of the machine, we're just going to let that run for a bit. Looks like we need a little bit more compound. The key here is to let the compound do the work. Now we'll use our clean cloth and just see what progress we're making. I don't know if we're going to be able to see this, but we're getting there. We're making progress. Okay, after several passes, we are making progress. There are still some really, really fine scratches in here. I don't know whether those are going to show up, But by and large, that's much better. Now we're going to add a finishing coat of wax. Okay, this is always hard to see, but if you look over here where the light reflection is, there's still some acid rain damage here in the clear coat. And when you come over to where we were working, that is just gone. There's still some really minor scratches that are in the paint, but I don't want to go too aggressively into the clear coat, so we're probably going to leave this alone. Added a little bit of wax, and I think we're good to go. So that's it for this episode. Jay says thanks for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe, and we will have another video out soon.